Windy here, the trade winds are blowing. We're in Kahului. Just landed Kahului Airport, Maui. And it is windy. So it's quite a shaky landing. I think it was like that last year too. It was like that last year too. See, I'm already in Hawaii mode. So I dress. So I dress at home, you see. So when I get off the plane here in Maui, it's warm out too. It's 31 degrees, and we got some major trade winds blowing here. See the Pichardia palms? And the beautiful Hawaiian flag, along with the others. Yes, we love Maui. They say Maui no ka'oi. Wendy must be hot. She's dressed in black. She looks like she's overheating. Microphone. It's nice. Those traveler palms over there. So beautiful. What's not like about Hawaii? Huh? What's not like about Hawaii? You gotta love it here. Anyway.